Happy Monday, everyone. It's my reset day, as I like to call it, because I always have off every Monday. I went to Goodwill, didn't find a thing, went to TJ Maxx, also didn't find a single thing, but I did go to Aldi and I got groceries for the week, so we'll do a little grocery haul. I did work out today, I did chest, but I think I'm gonna take a run in a little bit just to like get some more fresh air, sweat a little bit before I make dinner. I'm gonna make chicken tonight. Today we're gonna be making the viral cottage cheese ice cream. I tried it once before. It was okay. It wasn't like frozen enough. So we're gonna try it again. I'm gonna try doing the strawberry cheesecake flavor. So I have my cottage cheese, strawberries. I got some stevia, some honey, and then some sugar-free cheesecake pudding mix. Okay, so we're gonna take 15 ounces of cottage cheese here. I am a person that actually like enjoys cottage cheese like plain. So that's why I'm so interested in this recipe. I'm throwing the cottage cheese into the blender. Okay, throwing my strawberries in here. I might add a couple more. Okay, and I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract. This I'm not measuring because I just eyeball it. I'm gonna add just some honey, not any specific amount. Adding about a spoonful of stevia, going in with my cheesecake. Okay, now we're gonna let this freeze until later and test it out. We'll see if it's worth the hype. We'll see if this flavor is good. Okay, here's my finished product. Strawberry cheesecake cottage cheese ice cream. Let's see if it's worth it or not. Yeah, it's really good.
Can I try it?
It's way better than the last time.
It's good. It's like tort.
Chloe, want to try or no?
Sure.
Tort?
Isn't it good?
It is good.
It's okay.
Chloe's making a weird face.
You don't like it, Chloe?
I don't know. It's a little tart.
I just cottage cheese. I will say it's no creamy. But I think it's pretty good. I think it's better than the last cottage cheese I made.
It is good. Now make me one.
I'd give it like a 7.5 out of 10.
I'm going 6.
Oh.
Dad, what do you rate it?
I think it's 7.
There you have it, folks.
Cooking with Izzy.
Yeah, but did you give them the recipe? How are they supposed to know?
I did. I filmed myself making it.
Oh, well, what do they rate it?
I don't know. You can't taste it to the camera.
I'll use now make that, and then you rate it from 0 to 10, and we'll see where it's at.
Good morning, everyone. Guess where we are? On the porch drinking coffee with Henry. He's taking a bath right now. Sorry, didn't mean to disturb you. He was here before I got outside. So I'm out here applying to jobs because that's all I ever do. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Guess what time it is? Creamy time. I have the PE Science White Chocolate Macadamia protein powder, so I wanted to use this with almond milk. I have this chocolate sugar-free jello mix that I kind of want to use instead and have like a chocolatey theme because I feel like I haven't had a chocolate base in a while. So my tripod's upstairs and I will not be grabbing it. The top of the PB2 container to show. I think I'm just gonna add some almond milk and then literally just stir a scoop of this in and add this and see how it is. Here is 2 cups. If you guys like PE Science and get protein from here, let me know what flavor I should order next because this is like halfway gone and I kind of want to get a new one. This creamy is literally gonna overflow. Okay, into the freezer she goes until tonight. So I'm gonna go to the gym soon. Today's conditioning day. It's Thursday, so I always do conditioning. So I'm gonna meet up with Kaylee later and get some dinner and catch up with her. Here's an OOTD. I'm just wearing this tank top and then shout out Halara, my new Halara shorts. Just did the haul. Look how cute. So yeah, I said that in the video it's a sleep vibe, but I'm literally wearing them to dinner because I don't know, I think it's kind of cute. And then I just have this Halara sweater over it just in case I get cold. purse, thrift store, shoes, Walmart, you know, the usual. So we're at a random bar in Grafton. We decided dinner wasn't enough, so we decided to, you know, venture out in Grafton and see what we can find. Where are we?
We're at Adele's Dupe.
Adele's Dupe? We're at Redhead's Tavern is what it's called. There's like literally 2 people in here, which is fine. We also went to a different place down the street, which was kind of fun. It was more poppin', but on a Thursday night, you're not really gonna find much here. Kaylee got her Sunny D.
Wow, I probably look a lot better now than I did in the vlog. We were drinking very heavily.
Kind of took a while off. We did take a while off. We still are. Casual. Yes, we're not in college anymore. What?
We're not in college anymore. I'm going into my 5th year.
Oh, I forgot. Kaylee actually has little school left, so I can visit her and then relive it. Do it all again. Yesterday I made that creamy and never got to eat it last night because I hung out with Kaylee. So we're gonna make it for lunch. I just got back from the gym. Today I did quads and glutes. So to heal those muscles I just worked, there's no better way to do that than with a creamy. Into the entryway of the basement we go. Just look at this consistency. It literally tastes like Dairy Queen ice cream. Hi everyone! Welcome to a Saturday in the life of us. Today is the annual National Cheese Festival Day in Plymouth, Wisconsin. We live in the cheese capital of the world, and there's a parade honoring that at 10 o'clock, and it's 10:01, and we're late and we need to go now. We're at the parade right now, and since it's the cheese parade, they just handed out, I think we have more than enough cheese.
We could have a pizza later.
Hey everyone, we're coming up to the lucky intersection. 3, 2, 1.
Are we supposed to make a wish?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Hey guys, today we are going to
Strawberry Fest.
Strawberry Fest. We've been talking about going to Strawberry Fest for literally 4 months now. It's not anything like huge, it's just like a little festival dedicated to strawberries in a cute town. And we're going, and we have our cute little dresses on today. Explore the town of Cedarburg, see what it's all about.
We just bought a bottle of wine. Strawberry blush.
So good.
It's actually really good. It's not too sweet.
Gabby got a pretzel. Taste it. How is it?
It's really freaking good.
We conquered the Strawberry Fest and we're out of there. It was fun, but there was like a million people there. It was just too hard to do anything.
Too many people. Too hot.
You couldn't even walk.
Couldn't even walk. We couldn't even look at anything because people were just everywhere, and that's annoying.
90 degrees.
It's 90 degrees. We're just gonna go home and swim because it's just too much. So Gabby rated Strawberry Fest a 4.
But because I got a really, really good pretzel, we got a wine that the girl gave us like a deal on.
Chloe, what do you rate Strawberry Fest today?
It's like a 4.
I guess I'd say 4 too.
Yeah. Actually,
I'll
like
give
a
it
3.5 because I didn't even get anything to eat.
I know, I didn't get anything to eat either. But I did get this book. It was right next to our car in one of those like free library things. It's Tina Fey's book, but I just found it in a free library, so I'm gonna read it. I'll let you know how it is.
What are we doing?
3, 2, 1. Do you want to clink your drink with us? Ew, the napkin.
Leave it. It's fine.
It ruins the aesthetic. Okay, now.
I'm fall under pressure, I be handling business. Get it finished, no extras, don't get into specifics. Wave maker, I came up out the Pacific. So you don't fancy some things I left too much.
Chloe's in heaven.
I just wanna know you